Today's chapter is World Wide Web and this is part 2nd of class 7th. Protocols. What do you understand by the term protocol? Definitely protocol. If you take the earlier history also, there also use term protocol. That means a set of rules. So in computers, a protocol are the set of rules which help during the communication of data. That means when you send data from a client to a server or from a server to the client, a certain set of rules need to be followed. These are called protocols. Our first protocol is HTTP. It means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. These are the set of rules which need to be followed while transferring the files which contain images, sound and text. Next is our FTP, File Transfer Protocol. This is a set of rules which need to be followed when we download or upload a file from the internet. See, remember downloading and uploading. Downloading means getting data from the server and uploading means sending requests or data to the server. You must have upload your image, so that means in the Facebook. So that means you are sending your image from your computer to the server. Next is SMTPS, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This is the protocol used to send or receive email. Like you must have generally used Gmail, Yahoo Mail. So this, with the help of this protocol only, we send the data. Next is our TCP/IP. This is one of the important protocol. So it is the combination of two protocols, TCP and IP. Here, the TCP use to deliver. TCP verifies the data, that which data is to be sent is in correct order, and IP detect the address to where it has been sent. You can understand it simply like this. TCP is like the postman who arrange the order first, and IP is like the distributor who sent that packet to the fixed address. So this is very clear that TCP and IP both function together. Next is web hosting. You must have seen nowadays each and every individual is trying to make his own website. Many of you must have also made. So from where do you think we get the space? We get the space to launch our website. For example, you can think this way also. If you want to open a shop, so you have to go for lending some space to open your shop. So here also in net also we require some space to launch our website. So these are called web hosting. So web hosting service is the type of internet hosting service that allow individual or organization to make their websites access via World Wide Web.